Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So a lot of people have asked, Jay, what are your favorite Bluetooth headphones? And only thing I could tell them is I have so many, I can't decide yet. Well, I've got two different categories of Bluetooth that I actually have. I have earbuds and I have over-the-ear style headphones. And for in-ear, these are the top dogs for me. These are the JayBird Runs. And they come in this nice carrying case here, which is actually a battery charger as well. It does use type USB 2.0, the micro USB. Not a fan of that, but it is what it is. And it comes with this little egg-shaped carrying case right here, which is very convenient because you can just store them away and throw them in any pocket. And it's just really good. I've been using these for a very long time. I reviewed these last year, but I felt it was time for a follow-up because that is one question I do get a lot. What is the best Bluetooth earbuds and what are the best Bluetooth headphones? So for earbuds, for your man Jay Will, these are it. The JayBird Runs. Now I have the black model here, as you can see. These are very, very nice. Now first I want to start with comfort. They are very comfortable in your ear. You do have resizable buds, but I'd use these factory ones or the default ones that came on it, and they work perfectly fine with me. As you can see there, you probably see the little right bud right there. It's got a label for you. These are just really awesome and comfortable to use. With extended use, I don't feel any fatigue. And I mean, I can walk around. Now, I normally use the right one more than the left. So the right one is normally like 15% less than the left one in most cases when I'm using these for daily use. Take these to the gym, use them for running, obviously. They will stay in your ear. At least they stay in my ear. And I have a problem with in-ear buds because normally, they fall out or they just don't fit right. Well, I got to give it to JayBird. They actually have a comfortable set of earbuds here. I really haven't had to make any adjustments with the tips or anything. It's just working. So comfort-wise, they're on point. I think they'll feel good when you try them on. No fatigue with extended use either. Now, as far as sound quality, they do have an application that I use, and you can see here, it'll tell you the percentage of each earbud, and then you can set the equalizer how you want. And this is just something that, you can set it however you want, and you get the best sound quality. Now, speaking of sound quality, these sound awesome. With the equalizer, with being able to adjust them, wow, it really, and I know a lot of people say that the AirPods are the best sounding AirPods. I got to tell you, you got to give these a try. These cost a little bit more than the AirPods, and it's probably worth it. Now, the AirPods do sync up well and all this other stuff. That's all fine and dandy, but when I'm just using earbuds, I'm just using earbuds for sound quality and battery life and making sure those are good. So with that being said, having tested a lot of earbuds, I think these sound the best. These have very long battery life, and they sound good. They sound really good. You may not have the functionality for an iPhone with the AirPods or whatever they're called, but I'm telling you, these sound amazing. They sound amazing. And right now, battery life on these things lasts me for days. It is really nice to not have to charge so much. And then when I do want to charge, I don't actually have to plug into anything. I can just put them back in this case, and it charges on its own because the case is charged. You keep the case charged, the earbuds are charged. And when you're not using them, just store them in the case and they'll always be charged. So that's a huge plus. Battery life is really good on these things too. Now price, they used to be $199 when I got them. Now they're down to $179.99 at Best Buy. So they have the black ones actually on sale. It's February 2nd. The black ones are actually on sale for $163.99. So yeah, the black ones are on sale right now. The blue ones are exclusive to Best Buy, and they're $180, and the white ones are $180. So give you some sense of, for those that always ask me which Bluetooths are the best, was for when it comes to earbuds, I think the JayBird Runs are the top dogs for, and it marks off a lot, especially with sound quality. I think you guys will be blown away what you hear with these when you turn on the equalizer, adjust it to your ears. I think you'll be amazed. So it's your man Jay Will. JayBird Runs, top earbuds for me. Look for another video on my over-ear or on-ear Bluetooth headphones. I'll give you one of those and tell you which ones I feel are the best right now. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.